How to fix experimental enable angle is grey out in developer options on the Samsung Galaxy S23, S24 or S25. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now from here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on developer options. Now in here, if we scroll down, you can see this option is disabled or grey out, so we cannot turn it. So what you do is you go to the top and tap on the off button here. So switch it off. And you can see this is still disabled. Now if I switch it on, then tap on OK, then this becomes activated. So here I can switch it on. When I turn it on, it asks me to restart now. So you can tap on the restart now button to restart your phone. And that's it. So that is how you can fix the enable or disable or the gray out of your angle option in the developer options. Okay, so after restarting the device, if you go into settings, scroll down and tap on developer options. Now we scroll down. And here you can see enable angle for OpenGL ES driver has now been activated. So we can switch them on or off as needed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.